What if I tell you, you don't need motivation to succeed, you don't need big goals, and you don't need to change your life overnight? All you need is tiny habits, because tiny habits are very important. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore one of the most powerful self improvement books ever written, Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book teaches a simple but life changing idea: small habits repeated daily create extraordinary results. Let me tell you a short story. Imagine two students. Student A decides, I will study 6 hours daily from tomorrow. Student B decides, I will just study 20 minutes daily. After a few days, student A gets tired, loses motivation, and quits. But student B, he keeps going day after day, no pressure, no stress. After 1 year, student B becomes more successful. The reason is, the question arises in our mind, why? Because consistency beats intensity. That line is very important. So, what is the main idea of the book? Main idea number 1 is the power of tiny habits. Success doesn't come from big actions, it comes from small actions repeated every day. You don't need to read a full book, start with 1 page only. You don't need to exercise for hours, start with 5 minutes only. Small habits are easy, and easy habits stick. Second main idea of the book is the 1% rule. If you improve just 1% every day, your life will completely change over time. But here's the truth, you won't see result immediately. Growth is slow in the beginning but powerful in the long run. The main idea number 3 of this book is identity based habits. This is the most powerful idea of this book. Don't focus on what you want, focus on what you want to become. Instead of saying, I want to read books, say, I am a reader. When your identity changes, your actions follow immediately and automatically. The fourth main idea of this book, or fourth main point of this book, is the habit loop. Every habit follows 4 steps: cue, craving, response, and reward. If you understand the cycle of the habit, you can control your habits. To build good habits, make them obvious, make them easy, make them enjoyable, and make them satisfying. The fifth main idea of this book is environment matters, means environmental changes. Your environment shapes your behavior more than motivation. If your phone is always near you, you will use it definitely. If a book is on your table, you will read it. Change your environment and your habits will change. The lesson is very much understandable and very much easy. The sixth main idea of this book is breaking bad habits. Bad habits are not your fault, they are just too easy to rewarding. So don't fight them, make them difficult. Remove triggers, create obstacles, and make bad habits unattractive. Seventh main idea of this book, and this is the final main point of this book, is that is systems over goals. Goals are temporary, but systems are permanent. Anyone can set a goal, but successful people build daily systems. You don't rise to your goals, but you fall to your systems. So make your systems strong. So what we learned from today's lesson, we learned that we don't need to change our life in one day. We just need to change our habits one small step at a time, because in the end your habits shape your identity and your identity shapes your future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments which habit are you going to start today. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.